everyone, it's just day today and otsukare-sama minasan. Katapos ko lang gumawa ako ng mga Sabrina blouses. And today what I have is July everyone. No, July, it's June. So, I have a little bit of shopping everyone. And, gusto ko ipakita yung mga little bit shopping for this June. What? I buy? So, skincare routine muna ako dahil actually I feel tired and very sleepy. Ang init-init na talaga. So, this is my shopping for this June. Actually, nilagay ko siya dito sa basket. And also, nakita ko lang tong vibes from LA Bottled in Japan. Mindful Restraint vibes. This drink, everyone. Hindi ko pa natikman. So, I buy this ginger and this cinnamon. So, try natin to kung ano ang lasa. Wala lang, tumita lang ako. Parang I feel so curious in this drinks, everyone. So, kung ano siya. So, I feel curious. So, tikman natin. Kasi it's just like a cinnamon. The cinnamon, the vibe cinnamon per apple, lemon, a flavor. So, I think masarap. I don't know. But this ginger one is mandarin, yuzu, and lemon. So, this one, try natin. So, yeah, try natin. And, I got this clutch bag, and this is from Estee Lauder. Binili ko ng anak kong baby boy dahil hindi ko alam. Dahil nakita daw niya na shopping sa online. Kung ano nakikita naman kung saan sila nag-on shopping. And then, it's shipping daw. Actually, mayroon pa siyang plastic tip. Tinanggal ko lang. And you can see it's Estee Lauder gold clutch bag. And I think it's so cute. And I think perfect talaga. Lagyan ko ng cellphone or a little bit of money bill. Kung mayroon ako something night out na madalian lang. So, I think, siguro. I don't know, but it's so cute everyone. This is from Estee Lauder. And yeah, I have this one from baby boy. And then, bigyan ako ng anak kong babae, baby girl, ng 30-year mask makeup fixer. This 30. So, I'm so very excited to try on this 30-year product everyone. And also this 30-year mask fit with caution. So, binili ko yung baby girl sa akin. Thank you so much, baby girl, and I love you. So, hindi ko pa na-try everyone. This is a very trendy foundations at all beauty blogger. So, yeah, I want to try this one very soon. So, my little buy me this 30-year mask fit with caution. It's 40 PE luminous mask shield. 72 hours stay coverage. So, it means kahit hindi wala tanggalan in just 72 hours. In 1 hour is 24 hours, 72. So, ilang araw. So, anyway, ayaw mamaisip dahil napakabubo ko talaga sa mga mathematics. So, it's 72 hours stay coverage. So, ganun. So, and this one is the 30-year mask fit. So, i-try natin. Actually, gusto ko i-try ito. Ba't hindi ko talaga na-try yan? Nung ginagamit ko dyan everyone, wala lang. Matay yung ulo ko sa 72 hours. So, how many days? That's 72 hours. Dahil in a 1 day is 24 hours. So, 72, it means 3 days. Ganun. So, next, this is the Black Honey Curate Custom White Pad everyone. Actually, ito yung ginagamit ko pang if I'm cleansing my face, like using my toner, like that. So, this is just like my cotton pad. It's just like a two-way pad. So, and I think, it's nice dahil talagang when I use this one talagang nagtagalagaling din ko when I'm using my toner or any product na pang-cleansing or kung gusto niyo nagdagdag mga extra sa Pilipinas parang ginawa ko siyang cotton. So ang ganda nito, this honey one everyone. Actually I buy 2 because I stock ako. So I buy this one too. Nandito ko na. So this 2. So and then I buy this Elite Flaky hair oil. Flaky hair oil. I don't know how to spell this Flaky oil, but this is Flaky hair oil. And I love the quality of this one and the color. It's so pink. So my face is look very tired, but you know I just want to make this video. So I'm back everyone. So and then already the where is that? Wala na. But anyway, that is a Flaky hair oil. So, and this eyeliner everyone. And dahil I want to do a makeup tutorial na lagyan ko ng something glitter na eyeshadow. So, yeah, I tried this one. So, I don't know what's, actually, I think these are the, hindi ko mabuksan na anyway. This is a glitter. And this one is the Coral Mascara Caviar Black Mascara. Actually, I buy one more. And also, this one is, I like a pencil, eyeliner pencil everyone. And in a color, space gray color. Bukas na naman to. I never opened this one, but when nabukas na naman to baby girl, hinakot siya. So, yeah, this one. And also this one, this hair and body mist. Pink. And also this one is eyeshadow. And I love the packaging, it's pink. So this is all about the shopping of June. This one, hair oil, the Flaky hair oil pink. And I love this one. And this one is the hair and body mist, pink. I love pink. And also this one pink, eyeshadow, this eyeliner pencil, this cotton pad, Towie, Black Honey, and I love it. This one, mascara, Caviar Black. And this one is the glitter, eyeshadow. Eyeliner. And this 30-year caution foundation talagang in 72 hours coverage na hindi talaga matanggal. And also, binili ako ng anak kong babae na 30-year mask fit makeup fixer. So, soon try natin to. So, this one, because this is a very trendy product. So, and also, buy me this Estee Lauder clutch bag. No? Kasi, alam niyo yung anak kong lalaki everyone. He loves, so cute talaga. Alam talaga ng mga anak ko ano talaga yung mga gusto kong mga bagay-bagay. Alam nila na I like gold, I like something bling-bling, I like something elegant. Alam talaga nila. And then, nag-shopping daw siya. Sa una na nakita niya to dahil mura. I don't know how much, but I never asked how much. But, binigay niya sa akin. And I think it's so cute. It's Estee Lauder clutch gold bag. And I think it's so cute and it's so elegant. So, I love it. Thank you so much, baby boy, and I love you. And this is Make Me Bliss everyone because you know my kids. They really know what I love, what I like. And also, this vibe cinnamon drinks and this is ginger. So, yeah, try natin ito bukas. But I want to drink it in the water, but maybe this is energy drink, I don't know. Yeah, shake me daw, shake me. May nakasulat sa likod, shake me. So, yeah, I tried it one.